increase the volume. Everyone, I love you guys. Well, Mess someday you got. You make this grace. Come on, everyone. Riches, I want you to sing with me. Team building professionals, and here we are. We are here to team build your company, team bond, and also get them the perfect message to grow high. This is Riches, a global company into baking, and they are full power creating a product of a lifetime, because we have this concept called Shark Tank, and the company is Riches, so it's Shark Tank Riches. Here we go. Minutes with your entire team on the stage. Having said that, अगर आपको strict doubts है, we are going to be playing a PPT on screen. Now, PPT का आप definitely pictures ले सकते हो, okay? So that you have doubts or anything you can solve within your groups. PPT play होने के बाद यहाँ पे group names के साथ एक list display हो जाएगा, and we will divide you in groups. Okay, once we divide you in groups, we have the props. Your entire team has to come, take the props, and I will allot a place where you can stand. Clear? Can we give a nice welcome song for Team 10? A nice entry song for Team 10. Come on, Sunny. Team 10, we have Team 10 on stage, guys.
The product that we have made is called Vibo Magic. Okay. The idea behind this product was in terms of best from the West, and the target audience that made it is the home bakers. So,
the brand is actually Vibo Magic, and we are the magic creators here, innovators. It is weightless, effortless, home baker solution. Put it frozen, get it whipped. And you get the cream whipped in 6 minutes. That is what this, total process of the machine. Okay? Yeah, no.
Hello everyone. We sell more than 1 lakh products in the last 2 years. Current 30 CR turnover with 10% margin, 3 CR our current as on net profit. और हम तो अभी विजन है, हम 10 लाख में और आगे बेचेंगे अगले 2 साल में. तो 300 का प्लानिंग है विद 20% प्रॉफिट मार्जिन. और हम चाहते हैं कि ये प्रोडक्ट हमारा वर्ल्ड वाइड भी बेचे. तो जो हमें एक्सपेंशन करना है, डिजिटलाइजेशन करना है, इसके लिए हमें आपसे सपोर्ट चाहिए.
इसका प्राइस हमने बहुत अनबीटेबल रखा है. That is 2,999.
Can we put our hands together for Team 1? Super job. I think we can stop the timer. We finished 20 seconds early.
एक चीज बोलना भूल गए, इसमें ऐटो मतलब जो थॉ करना पड़ता है थॉ करना नहीं पड़ता है, डायरेक्टली क्रीम डालना पड़ता है। ऑस्मोसिस टेक्निक यूज किया है। थैंक यू।
ऑलराइट, शार्क
इसमें तो वेस्टेज परसेंट है, बाकी जगह पे भी में बहुत सारा बच जाता है तो उसमें भी लॉसेस होता है, तो इसमें हार्डली आपका जो वेस्टेज परसेंट है 0.30
wastage percent. Before आइडिया है रोबोटिक केक्स, लोग रोबोट केक बना रहे हैं, सही है। Thank you so much, Team 4, Richest Daredevils.